There are many perennial plants that can thrive in partial shade or full shade garden areas. Check this video out for 15 best perennials with striking foliage and bright blooms for areas with zero sunlight exposure or minimum sunlight exposure. I am going to share plant details, zoning information and bloom details. But before we get into the topic, if you are watching House Talks channel for the first time, please subscribe to House Talks and give thumbs up to this video for channel support. Let's start the topic on shade perennials. Astilbe is a very attractive shade area perennial, with showy elegant clusters of flowers in colors of white, lavender, and pink. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9. Foxglove is one of gardeners' best pick, to brighten up shade area with attractive flowers, that forms in clusters of tubular-shaped blooms in colors of white, lavender, pink. Hardiness zones are 4 to 10. Golden ragwort is an easy-grown shade area perennial, with large clusters of yellow flowers for long time. Golden ragwort can handle partial sunlight exposure. It keeps year-round green foliage as ground cover in shade spots. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. FOAMFLOWER is another attractive flowering shade area perennial, with striking leaf pattern and pretty spring blooms for shade area. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9. Herman's Pride is one of best ground cover plant for shade and semi-shade. Deep yellow flowers covers the eye-catching silver and green striking foliage. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8. Bleeding Heart is a very unique shaped flowering perennial for shady spots, and works fine in partly shade areas. Heart-shaped attractive flowers bloom in shades of red, pink, white and purple. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. Fuchsia, a perennial with long-lasting flowers to brighten up your outdoor shade areas, best choice for hanging baskets in partial shady spots. One of the perfect flowering perennials for rock garden. Hardiness zones are 8 to 10. Pulmonaria lungwort, a very attractive ground cover with showy foliage with periwinkle blue flowers for shade areas, another gardener's choice perennial for rock gardening. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9. Columbine, a shade area perennial, shows shades of deep blue and white flowers in late spring to summer season, a good addition to shade gardens. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. Lily of the Valley, a rapid growth ground cover perennial, attractive bell-shaped flowers to shade and partial shade garden. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9. Jack Frost Brunnera, a shimmering foliage perennial plant for woodland shade and container plant. Baby blue blossoms are held in clusters several inches above foliage. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. Toad lily, beautiful and exotic-looking shade area perennial plant. It boosts white to light purple, orchid-like flowers from mid to early fall. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8. Jacob's Ladder, a showy perennial plant. It will add beautiful texture to the part shade garden. Jacob's Ladder blooms in the spring to early summer months. Bell-shaped flowers hang in clusters. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. Evergreen Solomon Seal, another attractive perennial plant that blooms white to cream tubular bell-shaped flowers in early to mid-summer. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9. Yellow Corydalus, shade area perennial plant to spice up shady spots with bright yellow blooms all summer. grows very fast under low humidity level. Hardiness zones are 5 to 8. If you feel the content of this video is useful, please consider to like the video for channel encouragement, and do not forget to subscribe to House Talks channel for home interior ideas and home gardening content.